Okay, this is very interesting part, guys.
इंसान बच्चे कौन रो
I'm
रहे
watching
किसकी
this
आवाज़ें
is
समझ नहीं आ रही ऐसी आवाज़ें आती
SSD Sajjad Salim, yeah.
यही आवाज़ें थी
This is the guy.
अभी सुनी आपने आवाज़
This is the guy. They brought him here.
भाई
Okay. At the moment,
जो भी हमने आवाज़
something.
सुनी यही आवाज़
At the
थी
moment, something is haunted. Like he is not on his sense at the moment. He's not in sense in the moment. Look at him. He's just staring at them, but he doesn't say nothing. They're basically Sajjad Salim. He is in Pakistan. They're very famous paranormal activists. Paranormal
चले बाहर
activists.
चले यहाँ से
They go everywhere, wherever is paranormal activity.
भाईजान बाहर आ लो
At the moment, they are here, where the place is to be hospital, and this place is to be a delivery ward for the people. Okay, this is to be a delivery ward for
चले
people.
बाहर चले यहाँ से
But some reason, this place is been haunted. Okay, this place has been haunted, and only do you know the jinn? Jinn.
मसला तो कुछ पहले मुझे लग रहा
Jinn.
ठीक थे वहाँ के लम्हा पर घूर रहे हैं बस
Jinn, yeah. They get delivered in this hospital, okay? Only jinn are delivered in this hospital, basically, jinn children, okay? Jinn, they are in Muslim religion, jinn, but in,
मुझे डर है ये हमला नहीं
okay?
घंटियों की आवाज़ भी
And
शुरू हो
this
गई
is the place they give birth
करीब आती जा रही है
to children. And this place, this is a hospital, and this place has been closed for such a long time that no one dares to go in. Even this guy, he came here to, this guy came here to basically show them around and explain the situation. But at the moment, something
पता क्या लग रहा है
unseen thing is,
सोनी घंटी
unseen
सोनी
thing
आसिफ भाई
is,
पता क्या लग रहा है आसिफ भाई ये
unseen thing is
सोनी
gone inside him. Now at the moment, this guy is not in his sense.
वो घंटी बिल्कुल नहीं एकदम करीब करीब बज रही है उसकी आंखें ब्लिंक नहीं हो रही पता है
His
जब से
eyes
वो
is
आवाज़
not
सुनी,
blinking.
अस्तगफिरुल्लाह वो घंटी बिल्कुल नहीं एकदम करीब करीब बज रही है उसकी आंखें ब्लिंक नहीं हो रही पता है जब से वो आवाज़ सुनी अस्तगफिरुल्लाह
They could hear so many things, unseen things, making noise. There is a newborn child making crying.
देख क्या समझ देख
Hear that?
क्या हो रहा है इनको
Newborn baby is crying. Seems like there is a new delivery is happening, but there is no one there. No one in the hospital. Guys,
ये तो वही
listen to that. No one in the hospital.
अस्पतालों में नहीं आती
This sort of voice he comes in the hospital when the newborn baby is born. But look at that. This place has been abandoned for like 10 years. 10 years this place has been abandoned. Then how come some woman will give a delivery to a child, they're closed, there no one's there, this has already been closed. This is already closed, this building.
रोने की आवाज़ आती है
Okay? You could hear clearly,
अगर हमसे वो
child,
गलती या माजरत
newborn
चाहते
child has
हैं
been
कि हमारे
crying.
भाई हैं इनकी कोई गलती नहीं इन्होंने हमें रोका समझाया ये अंदर भी नहीं आए हमने भी अंदर पाँव नहीं रखा अभी अरे तो हम अंदर गए ही नहीं
At the moment, Sajjad is explaining to the jinn or something unseen entity that possessed that man. He's saying, please, this man doesn't have any issue. This man just brought us here. Please let him go. Please do not possess him. Please let him go. That we're gonna live from here. Look what happened now. Look what happened. Look, watch it.
चले जाए यहाँ से ठीक है हम चले जाते
Look what happened now. Just because he said
इन्हें
that,
हम नहीं छोड़ सकते
he said, I cannot leave this person here. We
अच्छा
need to
ठीक है
take
हम
him.
जा रहे हैं
We
यार
are leaving now. Look at that. He just came to his sense. Can you
क्या
see?
हुआ ऐसे?
He just came to his
क्या हुआ?
sense.
भाई
Soon as he said, look, we are
Hello?
going, please let him go.
क्या हुआ
After that, he came to his sense.
अल्लाह पाक जालिम
Before,
आई थी
he
आवाज़
was just
बच्चे की?
staring at them.
आई थी ना अभी भी आ रही है आपको?
अभी भी महसूस हो रहा है सर।
हाँ वो अभी आई थी बच्चे की
Before
आवाज,
he
वही
was just
सुन के
like a
तो हम यहाँ आए
statue.
थे।
Do you know what? Something
ठीक
was
हो ना?
possessed him. He
हाँ?
didn't even say a single word.
यही आवाज, चलो आओ
His
बाहर से
eyes
बात करें।
was showing. You know his
बुलाए
eyes.
थे यहाँ पे।
His eyes was lighting up, like something possessed him. But as soon as he said, "We are leaving, please let him go." As soon as he said that,
खैरियत सब
they
ठीक?
let him go.
इधर देखो,
क्या देखो? ठीक हो? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
आवाज तो हमने भी सुनी
जी हाँ।
और कुछ आवाज शायद हमने ऐसी सुनी जो आपने भी नहीं सुनी।
They heard the voice, heard voice from this building. They didn't even go inside the building. They just went next to the building. Imagine if they went inside the building, what would have been happening with them?
क्योंकि आप जिस तरह उसने खुद को जाहिर कर दिया ना, अब यहाँ रुकना फिलहाल तो ठीक नहीं है।
ये माहौल सुन रहे हैं ना? कोई आवाज आपको? अभी रोड की तरफ चलते हैं, गाड़ी के पास वहीं बैठते थे ना ये लोग।
Because this building is being blocked by everywhere. They put the boundary in there that no one can go in because this is how haunted this place is. Guys, I'm bringing it to you that explain to you that this place is such a haunted place that they have blocked it. Can you see that? They have blocked it basically. They blocked the building that no one can go in.
पहले इसको देख लूँ यार। भाई ठीक है। हाँ जी, चले? कहाँ बैठते थे आप?
सर इधर बैठते हैं, आपकी गाड़ी खड़ी है ना?
यहाँ?
जी हाँ।
अच्छा, और अंदर नहीं?
अंदर नहीं।
अब बिल्कुल सब खैरियत, सब ठीक ना? तो अभी
This guy was a night guard. He used to guard at the night
कुछ
time,
देर
but
बाद कुछ मोटरसाइकिल
ever since
गाड़ी गुजरती है यहाँ
that
से।
ever since that this place been haunted, this guy doesn't sit down there, doesn't go there because of the hauntedness. It's very much haunted, this place. He just came here to explain to them, look, this is a place, blah 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 situation. Just he went there. He couldn't just say nothing. They possessed him. They possessed him. You've seen it before. He couldn't even say a single word.
इसके कपड़ों में चमगादड़ों के वो बीते
ना कर।
और यकीन करें पीछे से मैंने देखा है।
रिकॉर्ड किया?
रिकॉर्ड तो है मेरा उसके पीछे।
क्या?
चमगादड़ों की बीते
ना कर।
यकीन करो।
Dropping of bat.
पीछे से
Bat dropping in his back of the clothing basically. How come the bat dropping in his clothing? I don't understand. This is what he said. He said there was a bat dropping in his clothes basically.
पहले क्यों नहीं बताया कामरान भाई?
सजद भाई वो जहाँ पहुँचा है आगे 15-20 कदम आगे पहुँचा है तो मैंने देखा है।
And Sajjad Salim, this program is very famous in Pakistan, guys. This program is very famous in Pakistan. They haven't even been inside the house yet. They were just outside. Now they're going to discuss what they have to do. Now they try to go inside there and let's see what happens.
इधर आए।
This is a haunted hospital basically, guys. And remember, let me repeat that again. This hospital used to delivery for the, you know, the children ward, delivery ward, okay? But something happened, they closed the hospital. They closed the hospital for 10 years. Now people here, the unseen thing giving birth to child, unseen thing like a jinn.
मैसेज चले जाएंगे, जल्दी आओ, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। नहीं देखा? नहीं। जल्दी आओ, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी।
मैंने देखा है, ऐसे जैसे आग जलती हुई रोशनी में छोटी सी लोहे, छोटी सी।
क्या करोगे?
पूरी बॉडी के बाल खड़े होते हुए।
You can hear the noise. Can you hear the noise?
बच्चों के रोने की आवाज, रोने की आवाज।
ये चमगादड़ भाईजान इसकी बीट देखो, चेक करो, ये लगे नहीं। यहाँ
This is extremely haunted place, guys. This is the place. This should be hospital. Now there is a delivery ward for unseen entity. Unseen entity. Remember that. Unseen entity. Okay? Now the jinn goes, they give birth in this hospital. Before there used to be human hospital, they used to give birth, like, you know, children were giving birth to, like, but now it's been closed for 10 years, and since then it's been abandoned. But people hear voices at the night time. People hear voices at the night time, guys. Please watch that, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much, guys.